Good morning, sir. I am one of your student. My name is Villarreal Mitzi. I'm here to report on this title, Inseparability of Migration and Communication. The communication is transferring information for one place, reason of one another. So every communication involves sender message or receiver and receiver. So according to Banking non of Secretary General, United Nations Prostitute migration is an expression of human inspiration for dignity, safety, and border culture. It is a part of a social fabric, part of a makeup as a of human family. So migration help us to be more wise, manageable because we are human. One way communication is to use language in our words to understand each other. So the inspirability of the migration in communication is a language of the people describe their behavior, cultural practices, and norms. So migration and communication enhance the importance of language to human their culture. As the matter of fact, human language can be considered as the the most important future. They are very inseparable because language include culture and they provides the means well culture uh, pass from one generation to the next generation. So the one of example, if the one Filipino family migrate to another country for start their new life, their migrant, your the one to adjust the ways of communication, but you can also use our national language, which is English, so that you can communicate there are another people, and you can also use our local language inside your home, which their family, because they are not comfortable using on their language, but they need to use it because there is the ways to communicate with the other people. As wherever you go, your language will be a treasure treasure. So that's all. Thank you.